The supplies needed for this process are gloves, round nose tweezers, and a cap set GTXpro supply. Gloves should be put on before starting this process. From standby mode, press Menu OK or any arrow key, then highlight Maintenance and press Menu OK. In this submenu, we will select Maintenance Parts Clean Replace and press Menu OK. In this submenu, we will highlight Select individually so as not to reset the counter for any additional prompts or errors and press Menu OK. In the event you have a prompt or an error, please perform those maintenance procedures separately. It will then cycle through all of the cleaning and replacement confirmation screens individually. We will only select Clean on Clean Cap Wiper and Clean Nozzle Guard for this video. It is highly important to select Do Not Replace on all of the replacement confirmations to prevent resetting the internal counter on those parts. Confirm Clean Cap Wiper and Clean Nozzle Guard is the only option selected in the final confirmation screen, then press Menu OK. Press Menu OK once more. The platen will then move in and out and the print heads will undock from the maintenance station. You will be notified that you have 15 minutes to complete any pending items for the maintenance process, inclusive of replacing the cap rubber and cap foam that we will be focusing on in this video. Be prepared to complete all items within the allotted time. Turn the power off by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. Now that the printer is off, open the lid of the printer. Then, slowly move the carriage to the right to access the cap rubber and cap foam. Take the round nose tweezers and gently wedge the tweezers between the white foam frame and the rubber cap. Lift the white foam frame piece up and move it off to the side. Be careful not to drop it down into the maintenance station. Next, remove the foam piece from the rubber cap and move it off to the side. Be careful not to drop it down into the maintenance station. Take the round nose tweezers and lift up one corner of the rubber cap. Be sure to lift it up slowly to prevent ink from being flung. If there is heavy ink buildup underneath the rubber cap, you can clean the area with a cleaning stick R and cleaning solution. When installing the new rubber cap, align the two exhaust ports with the two holes on the bottom of the rubber cap. Install the rubber cap with the concave side facing up. Using your fingers, press the rubber cap down around the exhaust ports and edges to make sure it is seated securely for proper functioning. Take the white foam frame and insert the foam piece inside it. The one exhaust port which sticks out of the rubber cap should line up with the notch on one side of the foam. Install the cap frame and foam with the frame facing up. Gently press down on the edges of the white foam frame to secure the foam in the rubber cap. Ensure the white frames and foam sit below the rubber cap's edge to prevent from damaging the print head. Close the lid of the printer. Then power the printer back on.